जख्मी है उनको किस तरह से इवेक्यूएट दस्ते की तरफ से, और जो नॉर्मल लोग हैं उन्हें हिदायत दी जा रही है किस तरह से निकल जाए और गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से उनके लिए इवेक्यूएशन के लिए इंतजाम रखे हैं। ये दो लोग इसको आप देख रहे हैं किस तरह से इनको उठा कर ले जा रहे हैं। और इसके अलावा हमारी जो एक्टिविटी है वो अभी चल रही है और हमारे सिविल डिफेंस के वॉलंटियर हमारे जो सिविल डिफेंस जो आम नागरिक होते हैं जिनको ट्रेन किया जाता है वो किस तरह से फर्स्ट रेस्पॉन्स फोटो लेने दो उतारना है। ये सारी एक्टिविटीज आप देख रहे हैं सिविल डिफेंस, एसडीआरएफ, फायर एंड इमरजेंसी हेल्थ। जो दूसरी मंजिल पर हमारा एक विक्टिम फंसा हुआ है चेयर नेट के जरिए से, कैसे उसमें जो अभी एक्टिविटी आप देख रहे हैं ये चेयर नेट इसको बोला जाता है। चेयर नेट के जरिए से कितना सेफली हम विक्टिम जिसकी मदद से हम विक्टिम उसको नीचे ला रहे हैं। तो ये एक्टिविटी आप देख रहे हैं चेयर नेट जो अभी दिखाई जा रही है, जिसमें आप देख रहे हैं किस तरह से आसानी से और आराम से जख्मी को नीचे लाया गया और इसको अब स्ट्रेचर के जरिए से एम्बुलेंस में पहुंचाया जाएगा, जहां पर मेडिकल करेंगे और इनको सही जगह पर पहुंचाएंगे। हमारे साथ में blackout, and the people have been asked to ensure that they adhere to the guidelines. Yes, Akansha. Yes, you.
हो गया क्लियर, हो गया क्लियर। दस के पार्टी दस के पार्टी किसी को कोई जान नुकसान कोई सब विक्टिम निकाले, सब ठीक ठाक, किसी को कोई नुकसान सब ठीक है, सब विक्टिम अच्छी तरह निकाले, कोई शक
such situations like war or otherwise other disasters. We train people, we engage people, and moreover we have a lot of volunteers with us, be it the NCC, NSS, civil defense volunteers.
Just we saw there were, people got injured, they were being evacuated, and then there was a fire that was put out. So what is all this? Can you explain to the viewers?
We have all the mechanism and all the protocols for different situations. Be it a collapse of a building, be it during the fire, if there's a fire in the building, those people who are injured, how they will be rescued, where are the which rescue teams will be there, where they will be put to the first aid or the reference to a bigger hospital for the treatment. Okay. So these are the protocols. We just test our protocols. So in this exercise, we test our alarmness, our preparedness, so that people know, so that we also know that how prepared we are.
By 8, we are going to have a blackout after sirens will be sounded. Is that correct this evening?
Yes. As Srinagar has already, like in the real situations, we managed it very well. When there was a mechanism to be placed for the air sirens as well as the blackout protocol. But this today is a part of the MHA guidelines and MHA order where the Operation Shield has been announced, and this is a mock drill with respect to civil defense. So at 8 p.m. We will have a mock drill of this blackout, and we will check our system how they work. People need not be alarmed, but we have already circulated many times the do's and don'ts, what they should do, like whenever there is an alarm in the future. So we have placed our 5 alarm systems which have almost 16-kilometer range. So whenever there is an alarm, like for today it's a mock drill, so we have passed on the directions to the people that whenever there is an alarm and there is a blackout, there are certain do's and don'ts which we have to do, like we have to switch off all the lights, we have to ensure that even the street lights are off, and those people who are traveling as well as, they should also keep their vehicle aside and switch off the lights. So this is the general protocol, and it has been, these guidelines has been from so long, many years. Right. But it's our duty as a part of the as a commander of this civil defense. It's our duty to pass on these information and these protocols to people, so that civil defense in these situations become more effective, and we test our system again and again so that we can minimize the human losses at the infrastructure.
Thank you so much.